we're pulling forward. So pound CX, the engine here, all the way up to 3616. Right next to 4, right next to 4, lane to 4. Take it 4, go ahead. Yeah. 46 command. 16 command, St. John's.
16 command.
I'm sorry, did you get confirmation that Jack's still coming down here?
Jacksonville is responding. A tanker foam truck. It's coming from the north end. Stand by for the ETA.
Need foam, St. John's. Jack's will bring me some foam. That's what I need the most.
Affirmative. 1708.
Engine 14 to command. Engine 14, engine 12. 14, go through that parking lot of the Jiffy store right there. It's 12 to your right. Engine 14, this is 12. We're ready for you. We need another engine with supply line. We're short. We need some more LDH. Can you advise if the city can respond down here? 14, I don't have anybody for you. And engine 14 to command. 16 to 1. Engine 12. And from engine 12. And engine 15, your location, you coming around? FM1, if you don't notify the State Fire Marshal's office, go ahead and notify them along with ATF. Command to engine 12. Command, this is engine 12. Somebody to finish. That engine 14 has started on Masters Drive. Engine 14 is at Masters Drive to supply engine 12 for this side. Where are you? Chief, I'm on the opposite side of the tank. 14 has gone all the way down Masters, laying me 5-inch. The big roast is free, but they need me at the end of Masters. Copy. Big roast 16 in the backseat. Charge the line. Charge the line. Ramos, charge the line. 43, I'll set your ladder up here in the middle of this intersection. From engine 15. Big road 16 to Canal. All units, power should be secured. Power should be secured.
St. John's. Command.
Command from engine 15.
St. John's. Command.
Command, St. John's.
Command. St. John's. Command.
Command, St. John's.
St. John's. Command. Go with your message.
The command box is set up in front of Harry's on State Road 16. In front of Harry's on State Road 16.
Copy. Be advised, logistics is responding to pick up foam. Jack's Fire is responding with an 1,800-gallon tanker of 1250 foam. 10 to 14 and Tower 20 are responding also.
Command to engine 12. Engine 12, go ahead. Do we have water yet? Negative. Engine 14 to command. Engine 14, engine 12. Go ahead. Advise command, we need another engine on the ODH down here to help us make a connection. We're making a connection now with one single 3. Acknowledge, engine 12, command. Command. Command, engine 12. Yeah, this is command, engine 12. Go ahead. We need another unit with LDH to go all the way down to 14 to complete this connection. How much LDH do you need? How much do you need? About 500 feet. So what do we do? We went from 14 to you, and then we're going to get from you down, back down to here? Well, what is about 450 feet. We're going to need an engine to go from engine 14 to the hydrant. We have established a connection with just a single 3-inch line this time. Command from engine 15. Chief, we don't have enough hose to go all the way down there. The only thing we can do is boost this hydrant, a little bit more pressure from the other hydrant. Check your location right now. Over here at the main hydrant on 16. Yeah, come around the backside of Masters Drive and complete the way with 14, and I believe it's 5 is down there. You'll see them. Get with Lieutenant Lamonte on engine 14. He's on Masters Drive. You got to come the back way, around the back. No. 16.
In command.
Copy, St. Charles. Can you confirm to the city's bid to the water pressure down here for us?
Affirmative. We make contact. I'll verify.
21 to command. Chief. 21 to command. County 1 to command. Go ahead. Encouraging resources from Jacksonville. We got their foam tanker coming and also their hazmat engines. We need more resources than that. We might just have to backfill the county a little bit from somewhere. That's my big concern right now. We've got a ton of apparatus here. We have to backfill somewhere. So that's my only concern at this point. Okay, copy. I'll take care of that. Where are you? City 1, County 1. County 5 also. Make the next right-hand turn right there. Go down 1 block. Come back around on to Masters. You'll see 14. Make a right-hand turn right there. Anchor 3 to command. Anchor 3 to command. Take on. Master provision. City 1. Command division. The trees look good. The trees that you have on your tank on the north side look good. Okay, great. County 1 command. What's the location? Carl at Masters of 16. Boy, next incoming unit. 16. Call Warrior Supply, go ahead. Tanker 3 to command. 3, go ahead. Where would you like me to go? Over the city incident. You'll see the city engine and rest is slow. Hold up that general location. You're going to supply another truck for me. I'll spot you when you get here. Good 3, copy. Anchor 4 to command.
Tanker 8 to command.
Tanker 8, go ahead.
Coming in from 16 and a 4 mile. Where would you want me?
Same direction. Keep coming in towards Master Drive, and I'll spot you when you get here.
Good copy.
Go ahead. Are you having trouble with the line? I'm sorry? There's not enough water for the line? I can see the engine 14. Engine 14, go ahead. The status on your hookup on that hydrant on that. Like a couple minutes away, Chief. St. John's, Tower 20 on scene.
1728.
Give me the Tower 20. 20 to command. Here for a minute. Let me find a spot for you. Stay there. Stay there. Move out of the way here. Flight command. Command. Sending an operator for the city engine and back it up here and get another water supply out of the tankers. Back by the point. Copy. Just city driver. Here comes one right now, Rob. Rescue 16 to engine 16, Lieutenant O'Connor. Command, St. John's.
St. John's, command.
Can you get an ETA for Jacksonville, please?
They're responding from Blunt Island area. I'll try to get you an exact minutes. Hold on.
Rescue 16, engine 16 driver.
City Fire is responding with 50 gallons of foam. Logistics is going to Station 4 to pick up some foam.
From Rescue 14, we're available from the LZ. Would you like to respond back to the scene? All right, Commander, you grab another guy from City Fire to help with this crashing operation. I sent somebody to you, Rob. They're right there. Check. I've only got one on the engine. Well, right now I'm trying to get this water supply set up over here on Master, so I'm tied up with this right now with all the personnel. I'll try and find somebody when I'm walking around to send to you. Thank you. Command engine 12. 16 command from communications. Hey, Gray, back up to me here. Go ahead, turn it. There you go. AD sector to command. Command, go ahead. Be advised, Kurt, that we need to shut down the master stream. We're not getting the reach that we need to the location of the seat of the fire. Shut down the master stream, which is the ladder truck from the city. Copy. Ed, here's what I need you to do. Find me what water supply can supply Tower 20 if I move Tower 20 over here on Master's Drive. The engine can supply them. That's what I said that for you here. Yeah, Rob, we're not going to be able to supply that with a tanker. It'll make it work. Center 14 to command. Center 14 to command. Water's coming. 14 command. We're at Varilla and 16. What do you advise? Unit calling repeat. Center 14 command. We're coming in on 16 in Varilla. What do you advise? Well, you're coming in on Varilla 16. Identify. 14, you see the other tankers up there set up. Pull up and get ready to stop after the tanker. Copy, pulling up the tanker. Order supply command. Right line from that engine right there, back up where you're going. Engine 14, engine 12. Go ahead, 14. Water's coming. Ranger 4 to command.